In the 1940s, the mob built Las Vegas from nothing. Bugsy Siegel opened the Flamingo Hotel. Poker rooms were controlled by organized crime. You played by their rules, or you didn't play at all. Simple as that. They skimmed millions from casinos, laundered money through poker games. The FBI couldn't touch them for decades. Cross the wrong people at a poker table, you disappear into the Nevada desert. Nobody asked questions. Corporate America kicked out the mob in the 70s. Today's poker is clean, but Vegas remembers who built it.
Start a live chat now to join one of our clubs or ask us any questions. Message at bluffingmonkeys24_7 on Telegram or visit bluffingmonkeys.com and start a live chat.